Apa surprise dia? Tambah kamu duit lah, singkang am tas ni.
Khlieh mga Melvin Mukim nakafilm Haling Hapdeng nakumen ban pentip shapi ba nginwan rab yang sa sisian ka film ha ususo tham auditorium naruga khapra tarik adu lifeway tarik ubnai jamang ki por kilong khanar baje mensngi ar baje mensngi san baje janmiet bad hanyo baje demiet turmen manya kendu biang ipi sa sisian
ki khubor kapati TV Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka court admission na kamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka by admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka Jingïapyni. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Uway ni Rangbah ulaman saw, baka Khlieh jung klami Snam, haka Jingïapyni ibor bagi Pulit, haka por bagi nong kersyan, yaka Shri Cement Limited, kalej bentur sa office UDC ke East Janda Hills District. Haka por bagi Paidbah kitur daka bor, kaladan ka Jingïapyni ibor bagi Pulit, haka bagi Pulit kilahapan kerwit lati napang, pan omay lahat bagintur sa DC office. Haka ni ka video layu yaka jingbom jingtiet ki Pulit, yaki ba persyang mentur sa DC, Namar Bau District Magistrate ula penjari dak section 163 jong ka BNS Araja Apulai. Ban om Syah ega jinggel lumbriu tau yar ya ka DC office.
Nakajste. Tahu dia tekok ni.
Nga dawa ya ho ni nga awi eyo sia ni di musuh sang mo tu klarpi di kita to inga hado di pistol di sulai perang inga ngamrak Polis mana inga Polis
Paidbah warayu lagi. Wadat kibe. Untuk polis lah
kau kan sang doi
to peduk kreno direct mai.
Wir sepat Cement! Wir sepat Cement! Wir sepat Cement! Paidbah! 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 Wir sepat Cement! Paidbah! 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 Doi aku belajar sebelum aku ayah.
Pidan dukan marbam ndai compare la ka barid ka pidi harut surok ni ka bahe kum ki restaurant bat ki way ni pishat roti shat cake bat ki way na ka benta ka koi ka khya chong ki Paidbah nong bam nong di bat ba phinyo ka jingshania naki pidan kam bandon de ka license ka papaka ka bala ithu da ka an kata ka Food Safety and Standards Act Arajar Henry link ba ka section lai phuway iway Kamde ka ba bapinyo ka license pila ba na apply ko online link ba ko website fastcast.fssai.gov.in da ka ba pihap pan upload ru tiki kot kisla badan kam kat kum ka jajing kam jong pi Pilaru banyak kendo, iki designated officers lani food safety officers, kebadan hak office terekam Jong-u lani ke district medical and health officer habaro ke district kebadan Hamigalaya, like no tang is kasihers. Pilak ben letbet siya ke office terekam Jongki ke commissionerate of food safety kebadan Halowa lachumya. Nakabenta ke kot kakya kinong bam nong di. Lawan Rashapi, dekat Commissionerate of Food Safety, Government of Meghalaya, Bat Balakershan, dekat Food Safety and Standards Authority of India.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in. Bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.